Oh boy.
That's exactly what I said I was
Yeah. Early Friday morning, playing some disc golf. Love it. Fun times. Out here, Mr. Shorey, Mrs. Shorey. Hey. Mr. Shorey's at 3. And we're
Even far?
Yep, exactly. I'm gonna go this way because my disc is over here.
Bye, Tia.
Bye. Catch you. Yeah, see ya. Ooh. Ooh. I don't even know where it went.
I don't know where it went either.
Yeah.
Too low.
Went somewhere.
Mrs. Shorey, what's the prediction of where it's gonna go?
To the
It's
base
gonna
of
go
the
toward
basket.
those trees and it's gonna land left, probably about 45 feet in front of the basket.
Alrighty. Sounds good. And we're using the...
Orbit Sync Pro.
Nice. Alright. Oh!
Wow.
Outdid himself there.
That's exactly what I said I was gonna do.
Yeah. Mine's gonna go straight into the basket. What'd you say earlier, Mr. Shorey?
I said 45, but it's actually gonna be more like 25.
25?
Yeah.
Yep. And then 15 steps. We have to
it's
count.
gonna be about 7
Nice.
or 6.
Come back.
Skill shot.
Oh. Ain't no way.
Oh.
Got it on video as well.
Welcome to my world.
What an air ball. That's equivalent. Bing bong. Nice. There we go. There we go. Oh boy. Oh. What are these called, Mr. Shorey?
Fire ants.
Yeah. You step on it.
Texas is trying to kill you.
Mm-hmm. There you go. That's cute. It's not bothered.
Very tight.
Yeah, wow.
Oh my gosh, it's coming towards you.
I don't have any nuts for it.
I do. I've got peanuts. Peanuts.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, buddy.
Huh. It knows. Get a close-up angle.
I'll give it another.
Oh yeah. All right.
Yeah. Okay, you got to make it through here, Sean.
Okay.
Don't throw it too high over the rope.
I just called him Shorey.
Oh. All right, Tim. You just got to make it right through there. Don't hit the rope.
Yeah.
Get between the trees.
I'm gonna be a big one.
Okay. If you miss this, it's going viral.
Okay.
What would you think of me if I said I was just a little bit disappointed that you didn't miss it?
I would think that's a totally valid answer. Did you see the little like horse kick
Yeah.
that came out?
Oh, there was a better shot of that on the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you held that pose for
when it went straight into the tree.
too long. Yay. 18 holes.
There we go.
It's your first 18 holes in Texas.
Yep. Felt good. Minus a couple Nando's
Adventures?
adventures.
Yeah.
Alright, that was disc golf. 18 holes. North Hills? North Park. That's right.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for Mr. Shorey's vlog. Coming out soon. The final scores were here.
Yep, you'll see them.
Like here. Yes, sir. Had a good time. Good 2 hours. No, 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah. Around there.
Time.
Yeah. Took
Not
our
in a hurry.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Fun. We'll catch you later. Peace.